and I have my forearm in contact with her to the shoulder. So it's the whole group moving. If you do like this, you bring your hand to the side. This is another reason. Doesn't mean that it's wrong. I could want, for example, to turn like this, or I could do something like this. Is another thing. So now I did my hand around in front. What I want is back. Why I want back? Because we are working that technique of the trace. So now I want the tension to don't have the trace. I want the tension to move her. Okay? And then stop to the side. Guys, you are providing the weight shift. You are providing her her center of balance to move. That's why she's stepping. Okay? You could do the same leading from here and lead the same thing to the other side. So instead of to move her to my left, I move to my right. It's all related with how you move this area here. Okay? That's why first I tilt back, because I want her head passing back. And then after I give the motion to turn.
And ladies, the head, a lot of ladies ask me, so from the side I take it back, and as I come forward, this is mostly the problem here. So as you open your body, the weight is still forward. I'm just keeping my head in the same place and I'm unfolding my body. So my chest comes up, but my head stays in the same place. Like a frango asado. Okay. Roasted chicken.
Yeah.
Roasted chicken.
And guys, remember that the energy, like you need to grab from the first moment. Yeah. So from here, if you do like this and keep giving energy, this point, you may try to give energy and you bring her out of balance. So you give the energy like for the turn from the beginning. Boom.
And I answer in the same energy that he gave.
Okay.
So you can give me slow and I will answer slow.
But I don't try to give more energy during the turn because it's going to be really hard. Yes? And for the beginning, you can use a little variation to practice what you learned in the exercise. So as you do this, when she's coming forward, and then you slide, I forgot to tell you, you can also use your left hand on your neck. I saw some people do that, so you can slide here. Yeah? To do the movement. But if you want to practice what you learned at the beginning, the exercise, what you may do is, you make this connection in the head when she's going back. So what you do from here is, you don't give her motion to move. You trace, and then you ask for her hand. So there is no basic step during this time. Did you see that? So I make this thing on her neck when she's back. And here, don't give motion for her to move. To ask for her hand, and then go to this movement. Back and forward. Make the connection. Let her just stay. Ask for the hand. And turn to receive. Finish as you want. Like the time. Yeah?
So that one, obviously, just the beginning, there was a problem going from